There might come a time in your life when everything feels like it's falling apart. You're down, you're tired, and when you look ahead, all you see is an endless stretch of nothing. No light, no direction, just emptiness. Like you've hit a wall, or maybe even rock bottom. It's in moments like that when hope feels a million miles away. But hope is everything. It's the fire that keeps us going, the compass that points us forward when everything else feels lost. Without it, life can feel heavy, soul-crushing even. You stop enjoying the things you once loved. You feel stuck, watching your life spin in circles, with no clear way out. But hear me when I say this: there is a way out. There's always a way out. I believe there are three things, three antidotes to that hopelessness. And it starts with this. 1. Commit. Get up. Even if it's just sitting up in bed or standing under a cold shower. Decide. Ask yourself, is this going to be my life? Is this the version of me I'm settling for? You don't have to have all the answers, but make a decision. Choose to fight. Happiness isn't a stroke of luck. It comes from within, from the part of you that says, I'm done with suffering. I want more. I deserve more. When you realize that things are in your control, you begin to take that power back. 2. Take action. Stop waiting for change to magically show up at your doorstep. You're not a passenger in this story. You're the director. What can you do today, right now, that nudges the needle forward? Maybe it's one small step. Maybe it's just showing up. But do something. Move. Even a tiny spark can start a fire. 3. Appreciate. Hopelessness paints everything in gray. It convinces us there's nothing good left, that joy is gone, that love has packed its bags and left for good. But that's a lie. There's beauty in the little things, in sunlight peeking through the window, in music that makes you feel something, in laughter, in people, in you. You just have to pause and look. Even in the darkest times, we are capable of light. Even in struggle, we can manifest excellence.